crescent moon hides with rays in its fall. Clouds bring comfort in such a strange way. Brief is the hour night turns to day. Creative wields magic like a wand. Be anything and dreams respond. Ghost of one soul stands alone. Freedom found away from the known. Brief is the hour, logic fades. Excitement mixes with the shades. Clouds bring comfort in such a strange way. Brief is the hour, night turns to day. Creative wields magic like a wand. Be anything in dreams respond. Ghost hour, one soul stands alone. Freedom found away from the known. Brief is the hour, logic fades. Excitement mixes with the shades.
Full moon looking down. Night is bright when you shine just right. Keeping our home calm, full of light. Waves lash upon the land. Gentle reminder, Mother Earth's hand, here because of you and only you. Should you leave, she would too. Should you fail, what would we do? Lunar light guide us through. Midlife crisis, end of days. Speeding on a motorway. Life can change in different ways. In your glow we find our peace. From our troubles a sweet release. Stay with us, don't ever cease. Should you leave, she would too. Should you fail, what would we do? Lunar light guide us through. Find our peace from our troubles, a sweet relief. Stay with us, don't ever cease. Should you leave, she would too. Should you fade, what would we do? Moonlight guide us through. Staring at the mirror there, fixing the mess of tangled hair. A noisy flash breaks night spell. A mind drifting where it always dwells. Passing masks we once did wear. Who lies behind? I stop and stare. Quick it fades, mask back in place. Cruel words spoken in this space. Beauty lies in broken things. History in open scenes. Ugly words, they sting, they ache. Someone's heart enough to break. Build, don't destroy, let light in. Heal the wounds, help begin. From within there's strength to find. When kind words and hearts align. Gazing through that mask of glass,